Jamaican KFC employees.
So basically, you know, we're in the drive-thru where you're coming up to make your order now, and she don't even tell her hi, good evening, you know. She just hit you with, we not have no spicy, we not have no barbecue, we not have no wing, we not have no
chicken,
we not have chicken, we just not nothing here.
She love turn back with
Wagwan Subbies! I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know, we're here for a good time.
A long time.
We are here for a good time.
A long time.
Today we have a special video for you guys, and it is called
Famous Jamaican Lines.
Don't know. Yeah, basically professions, you know.
Like the taxi men, the bus drivers,
the KFC employees. We're gonna don't know what's going on right now. So smash the like button before we get started. Comment down below, notification gang, notification squad. And yeah, I have to send my quote of the day.
I was just gonna ask if you have a quote for the day today.
Okay, are you guys ready? In life, if you smash the like button today, that means good love is coming your way.
Good love. Not luck. Good love.
Yeah, good love. Love, spreading love. Even if you don't smash the like button, good love is coming your way.
So guys, if you need some love, smash that like button.
Smash that like button. I mean, just go.
And even if you don't need it, just still smash it.
Yeah, still smash
send
it.
you some love.
Alright. Remember, comment down below, notification gang, notification notification chase, notification boom bang bang, notification sub fam, notification boom bang ting 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 ting. Yeah, go ahead and comment down below. Also comment down below which country you guys are from, and go ahead, comment down below the ones that we haven't said today. Go ahead and we can do a part 2 if you guys want. Go ahead and smash that like button once more for us, and yeah, we're gonna get started.
So the first one is taxi driver.
One already. Small up yourself. What? Yeah, man, you can't fit, man, fit. That means
even when the bus is full and everybody like jumping out the windows.
Yeah, it's like somebody will head out that door.
They always have space.
Hey, you know the worst feeling is when somebody green.
And right above you in the bus.
Yes, and you're in the back and you can smell it right in the people. And the whole ride you think about like how long is it gonna take to reach home? How long? And the arm just thinks so.
That's when you have too many arms in the bus.
Yeah, and yeah, most I've seen gone in a taxi is 8 people, and I think that's a little bit.
8?
8.
That's like the
8 to 10.
taxis,
Yeah.
the route taxis that always pick up like a bunch of people.
Yeah, they will pick up 8.
Different.
Yeah, man, lap up yourself, lap up.
So the next one is Jamaican chefs. Can I have brown stew chicken?
We not have that.
Patty?
We not have that. Whatever you ever ask, we not have that. Rice and peas, we not have that.
Every time you look on the menu on the board, they never have anything.
Yeah, so basically, we not have that. Big up to all the Jamaican chefs out there, because you know, you're spreading our culture. So
and if you don't talk like that, you're not really that good of a Jamaican
chef. We not have that. No matter what restaurant you go in, we not have that. Just know it. Just know that. They're gonna tell you that.
Okay, next one is the vendors that sell like fruits and all those things.
So if like they're selling guineps, taste and buy, just take out one and eat it. Yeah man, taste and buy, $50. See that? Taste and buy.
So you get to taste it, and if you like it, you can buy it.
And yeah, it's like a sample, you know, you just get a sample and then you just buy it right after.
It's like you go into the mall and the Chinese people give you those
little food samples,
yeah.
But they're selling fruits, so you know.
So the ice cream man.
You know the little honking horn? And he might go around. Fudgy, creamy, fudgy. Every Sunday.
I used to wait to hear that to go get ice cream.
Every Sunday, people, you'll hear him come down the lane. You know him coming from a mile out, and you got squeeze it on, you know, and you hear fudgy.
And they go by so fast.
Yes.
Sometimes you have to like run them down.
So yo, I remember one time running him down, and that man left like the man don't want money. The man don't want money, no one stop him, just keep on a drive.
You must listen. When him all the way down the road, he must be outside waiting.
Yo, but honestly, Jamaicans are talented, because it's not even cooler enough. It's like they just buy one bag of ice and then put it in this big box and make. You see me? And put all it.
And put it on them bike.
Yeah, and it no melt. It no melt. It just nice. Ice cream in Jamaica just nicer than ice cream up here. I'm just gonna tell you that.
Okay, the next one is the bus loaders.
2 more can work on the back, man. 2 more. Come on, man. Put up.
Guys, the they never turn back anybody.
Yo, you ever see them country bus? You ever see them country bus where
Like about
full
to
up?
turn over.
Yeah, yo, like if you make a wrong turn, people, the whole bus are turning over. God no.
And they're always hanging out from the side.
Yeah,
with the money wrapped inside their hand.
like, yo, I don't know how people used to do it, because that was crazy. Like, I don't think there's not much country bus out there now.
Yeah, I'm sure
They probably still do, but I tell you that.
not as much as they used to be.
But then, yo, I didn't know how people used to do it. Yo, people would stay on the top of the bus, you know, people. Stay on the top of the bus, you know.
Nobody was on the top of the
I
bus.
joke, man. But they had a bunch of stuff on the top of the bus and a whole heap of people inside.
But those would probably turn over less than the actual nice AC buses. Those always broke down.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, so the next one is Jamaican KFC employees.
So basically, you know, we're in the drive-thru when you're coming up to make your order now, and she don't even tell her, hi, good evening, you know. She just hit you with, we not no spicy, we not no barbecue, we not have no wing, we not have no
chicken.
We not no chicken, we just not nothing here. The only thing we have is fries and biscuit. You want fries and biscuit? We not have that 15 minutes to wait. So, but they hit you
It's
with,
not like you used to be a KFC employee.
no, I used to love going to KFC on a Friday, and yeah, exactly, Chase. Yeah, we used to like to go to KFC on Fridays, and yeah.
And I never, well, because KFC is like ram on a Friday.
What's your favorite thing to get from KFC? Mine is Zinger sandwich.
And mine is hot wings.
Yeah, Danielle loves hot wings.
I love hot wings.
Chase, what is yours?
Milk wings.
Milk wings.
Okay, so the next one is Jamaican policeman.
So you know, mine you get pulled over, you know.
Excuse me.
Mine you get pulled over. You want a ticket? You want it left or right? That's what he says. That's what the policeman says. Left or
I
right?
didn't know what that means.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna.
The left way, you're gonna go
The
the
right way. You know, right the ticket or left for the money. You see me?
Okay, the next one is fisherman.
Yeah man, them fresh man, just catch them from the sea. Me just catch them, literally me just unpick them from the sea. Me literally just walk in at the sea and pick them out. See them fresh.
They're always just coming back from the sea.
Yeah, them always say them just come back from
Ensuring
the
that
sea.
they have the freshest of the fresh.
Nothing but they put it from the ice from the night before and say it's fresh. Joke man. Jamaican fishermen, they are so dedicated to catching fish. They catch it fresh every day. Literally, they catch it every day fresh. No spoiled fish. No spoiled fish. The next one we got is nurse.
Okay guys, you ever go for your injection and get so scared and then the nurse is like, it don't hurt, it's just a little pinch.
Yeah, you know, because you know when you go into a chair and you're about to get the injection in your leg or your hand or something. One time with the nurse, you know, people, I was so tense because I was getting so much shots. I was getting like 4 shots, and the nurse said to me, you know, my hand tense like that, you know. And the nurse said, if you know, let go your hand, I get about 5 more on top of it. So the man goes up. Drop instantly, and she just juke me up.
It never hurts. Every time you ask them, they're like,
It's just a little pinch.
that's a pinch.
I know well that the pinch is hot. That the pinch is not a pinch.
Okay guys, the people that sell clothes downtown.
Yeah, I am the
So
vendor.
I'm gonna be like, those pants look nice.
Yeah man, I original one this a true religion. This come fresh off of the boat. True religion. Yo, me get about 5 of them. You want the true religion jeans? It's fresh. Don't worry about the teeth on it. It ain't true religion. Yo,
Nobody says that.
I know, but I mean, they do say, yo, I the original one in this.
Okay, so the next one is Jamaican galleys.
Yeah, so if you guys didn't know, this is a profession. Yeah.
So I'm the girl.
Yeah.
You're the guy. Right.
Baby, you're the only girl me there with, you know. She are my cousin. She are my cousin. She are my cousin. She are my cousin. Comment down below if you hear this one before. Comment down below right now. You
From you in the video.
Mine, you know.
Next one is Jamaican beggar.
Just squeeze me a thing now. Beg your thing now. Beg your thing. Me need a thing, man. Just squeeze me a thing now.
Me not eat from there.
Me not eat from there. Beg your thing now. Beg you a thing.
I want to give them the coin or you give them like a little bit them.
I want this.
Yeah.
Me can't buy nothing
Throw
with
it
this.
back at you.
Come on, hold that, man. Me can't buy nothing with this. Me say them ungrateful, you see. $20 can make something to buy something good for you.
And last but not least, Jamaican tailors.
When you want this buy. When you want this buy. And honestly, if you get them by Friday in the morning, you get it by Friday night.
Yeah,
if you have a party to go to the same day, then we'll fix it for you by the
And they're going to start like 1 hour before you're supposed to get it.
And them costume, Boy, I don't know if we can do it, you know. Me don't know if we can do it, you know. Me don't know if we can do it, dog. Me don't know if we
But
can
you
do
can get it. Don't worry, you'll get it. Okay, guys. So comment down below any other signature lines that you have from any professions or anything in your country, or if you're from Jamaica, comment down below what lines
Caribbean,
you know.
anywhere. If you're in America, what you hear the most. Yeah, America, probably there's a whole lot if you go on the American one.
So just comment all of them below and we'll read all the comments.
Yeah, comment down below if you guys want a part 2 of this. We can give you a part 2 because there's so much of them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, comment down below, notification gang, notification squad, because it's time for shout out time.
First notification goes to Alina Mohammed.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Danielle's head top right there. Second notification shout out goes to
Talia Brown.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right there. Third and final notification shout out goes to
Alexis Bell.
Big up your damn self. Tell him Chase. Big up your damn self. Yeah.
Guys,
right
Chase
here.
is talking so much.
Yeah, I apologize if he was talking too much in the video. Okay, tell him why are you talking too much in the video? Cause Daddy, I left talking and I'm better now. Okay, I am better now, Daddy. I am better. I am better.
It's like it never happened.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and subscribe if you want to be a part of the family. Yeah. Love you guys and take care.